Hello and welcome. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. For the next 10 minutes, we'll move together through a deep release of the body and a quiet softening of the mind. Let's begin with your breath. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 7 seconds. And exhale slowly through the mouth for 8 seconds. Again, inhale, hold, and release. Let your shoulders melt. Let the jaw soften and allow your entire body to begin slowing down. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them getting heavy and peaceful. With every exhale, tension flows down and away. Move your attention to your calves. Your knees and your thighs. Let everything grow softer, heavier, fully released. Your hips loosen. Your stomach softens. Your lower back unwinds. With every breath, the whole lower half of your body sinks deeper into ease. Imagine a warm, golden light appearing in your feet. This light is soft, healing, comforting. Slowly, it travels upward. Through your legs. Into your hips and your abdomen. Let the light fill your chest, expanding, warming, releasing every tight place. Feel it spreading into your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands and fingertips. The golden light rises to your neck, your jaw, your cheeks, all the way to the top of your head. Your whole body now glows in a blanket of warm, peaceful light. Imagine standing at the edge of the lake now. The surface is perfectly still, like a mirror reflecting thousands of soft stars. A cool, refreshing breeze brushes your face. This is your sanctuary, a place of quiet, stillness, and deep safety. Feel the calmness of this scene wrapping around you. Here, nothing needs to be done. Nowhere to go. Just your breath, the night sky, and this peaceful moment. Soon we will return. Begin by bringing awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders gently. Take one deep breath in and exhale softly. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this peace with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing this moment of calm with me. If this meditation supported you, consider subscribing for more guided sessions. And if you'd like to help me create more of them, you can support the channel through the links below. May peace follow you wherever you go today.